Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to turn on the quiet mode on your Instagram application. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application, and after that we need to open your profile sections, and in this profile we need to click this three straight line on the top right corner and go click settings and privacy. And after that you just need to go click this how you use Instagram and go visit the time spent. And whenever you're here, there will be three options to manage your time to using this Instagram. The first one is break reminder, the second one is quiet mode, and the next one or the last one is daily limit. So the break reminder is just a features that you can use to give you a reminder to having a break playing Instagram, and the quiet mode is just go activate the mute notifications so that you will not gonna receive any notifications from the Instagram. And the day limit is the features that you can use to set the limit in using an Instagram. So to activate the quiet mode, go click this button and go click turn on this. And you can also set the time when you want to start the quiet mode being active. So some of people will like start it in the night before they go to bed and end it in the morning before they start their work. And whenever you're done, you just need to go back, and now your quiet mode is already activated. So that's the way how to turn on the quiet mode on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.